This is a game that Sienna and I invented today. The Trash Kids Trash Pack game. This is our line. We put this there. We take all of these little guys out of the trash can. We put the trash can over here. Okay? And this is Sienna's trash can. She's going to shoot trash kids into here. Hold on, we didn't start yet. And this is mine. Okay? So right now, I have my trash can. The objective is to take these, put them in the trash can. The one who gets the most then wins. The one who's left with the least or none, they lose. Sienna is the champ right now. She's beat me how many times, Sienna? 4 times? 3. Okay. So let's go. Alright, wait, whoa. So let's hold on. Here we go. Okay, we're going to bend yours back a little bit. Time for you to go. Sienna, go. Okay, that's one for Sienna. She doesn't have to give me one. That, I have to give her one. Move it along, Sienna. Let's go, baby. Here you go. That's one for Sienna again. Daddy didn't do too good, so Sienna's up. Ready, Sienna? Come on. Keep going. Go with your trash can. All right. Daddy didn't get his either. So, here we go. Keep going, Sienna. And there's Daddy. I didn't get one yet. So I'm left with 4 trash cans. So, I'm going to see if I can come back and win. Keep going, Sienna. Your turn. Put it in. And then there's Daddy. Nope, I didn't make it. So there we go. There we go. I got one because she didn't make it. Go, Sienna.
This spiraled like spinning. Wait, which side
Go,
you want to
Sienna.
see me? I got one shot.
There you won. I didn't get one. So Sienna keeps on getting it. I have 3 left. I think I might lose again. Here we go. Another one down. Sienna, that one's for me because you missed.
You won.
Here we go. I missed. Sienna, keep going.
Okay, let's go.
Nice.
Good one.
Oh, I finally got one. Give me. Thank you, baby. Here we go.
You
Alright, so I'm down to 1. So I'm going to try to win right now. Give me, no, this is mine. Thank you, baby.
Will anybody fight?
That's not, I'm down to 1 again. Here we go. Ready, Sienna? That one's mine. Okay, so we have 2, I have 2 left. Oh, I got one. I got another one. I'm on fire. There we go. I got a 3rd one. There you go. All right, 1 more to go. Here we go, Sienna.
You have the doll.
Oh, I can't miss.
It goes on one of your dolls.
There we go. Oh, excellent. So I'm down to 1 again. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, I can. Sienna, you win. Do your little dance. You gonna do a dance? No dance? Say bye-bye. It was great playing with you.